Hello everyone, welcome to HowFixIT. In this video I'm gonna show you how to disassemble laptop, clean it from dust and replace thermal paste. To disassemble you will need next tools: Phillips 1 screwdriver, Torx T5 screwdriver, plastic tool, thermal graze, anti-static brush and tweezers. Also, I recommend using a magnetic mat in repair process and laying out each screw step by step during disassembly, which is especially useful in case of this laptop, and it is very important not to confuse them during assembly. In the description I'll add link where to buy all necessary tools. Turn the laptop over and remove all screws on the bottom cover. Disconnect the battery cable from the motherboard. Now let's begin to remove the cooling system. Now let's begin cleaning the cooling system from dust. Remove all dust from the radiator and fan. To clean the motherboard from dust, use only anti-static brush. Remove all screws on the cooling system. Now you can remove cooling system by lifting up from the motherboard. Remove the old thermal paste from the surface of CPU and GPU, as well as from the radiator. If the thermal grease is very dry and doesn't drop well, you can use isopropyl alcohol. How to apply thermal grease. Apply a small amount of thermal paste to the CPU and then take a plastic tool and spread it evenly over the entire surface of the chip. If you still don't know which thermal grease to choose, in the description I'll add link to the video where I test different thermal greases and choose the best one for laptop. If your laptop is still overheating after cleaning and replacing thermal grease, I recommend watching a video about cooling pad for laptop or how to undervolting CPU and GPU to reduce heat and increase laptop performance. All links you can find in the description. Now you can install the cooling system and tighten all screws. If your laptop is still overheating after cleaning and replacing thermal grease, I recommend watching a video about cooling pad for laptop or how to undervolting CPU and GPU to reduce heat and increase laptop performance. All links you can find in the description. Well, that's all, you are on HowFixIT, and see you guys next time.